Hello everyone, my name is Putri Dwina. I'm from 12 Science 3. In this video, I'm gonna tell you something about TOEFL test. So if you wanna know more, check this video out. In general, TOEFL listening divided into three parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C. In this video, we will talk about listening Part A. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between two people discussing about meaning, suggestion, problem, assumption, idiomatic expression, implication, topic, meaning, and many more. It would be easier for you to do if you know how to do it well. So, let me tell you. First, read the options as many as you can when the narrator reads the direction. Don't really pay much attention to the direction because I know you've known what to do on TOEFL test, right? Second, focus on the second speaker, because in Part A, the questions are usually based on the second speaker. Third, find the keyword or the thing that the speakers mainly talk about. Fourth, find the synonym of the keyword, because the right answer usually don't directly use the keyword. Fifth, don't choose options that contain the words that the speaker said or any similar sound. Last but not least, if you can answer some questions, just guess, don't waste your time. Maybe it's a little bit confusing if I explain it like this, so without any further ado, let's try the exercise. But before, here's another thing you have to note. The questions will not written on the paper, so you have to listen to it well.
Number 1.
How long until you'll be ready to leave?
First, I need to water the grass.
What does the woman mean?
The woman said I need to water the grass, and what we need to do is find the synonym of the grass and avoid words that's similar to the grass. Let's see the options. In option A, there's a word that sounds similar with the grass, which is cash. In option B, there's glass. In option D, there's crash. So option C is the only one that doesn't contain similar word with the grass. The lawn is too dry. What is lawn? Lawn is a mound grass or short area which is a synonym with grass. So the right answer is C.
Number 2.
Do you think I should buy this sweater?
But it doesn't really seem to fit right.
What does the woman mean?
The man talked about sweater and the woman said it doesn't seem to fit right. And if we check to the options, there are several similar sound words to fit and sweater. In option B, there are fit and sweating. In option D, there are feel and sweet, which are not relevant to what the speaker said. So the answer is probably A or C. Now take a look to the context. The speaker said the sweater doesn't seem right. That means the possible answer is that the sweater is the wrong size. So the answer is A.
Number 3.
Is Walter's job near here?
Walter's been commuting to Boston on a regular basis.
What does the man say about Walter?
The man said he has been commuting to Boston on a regular basis. On the options, there are also some similar sound words with commuting, which are computer in option A, communicates in option B, and communities in option C. So the right answer is D.
Number 4.
Did Bob memorize every detail in the chapter?
He wasn't able to master the lesson.
What does the man say about Bob?
The man said he wasn't able to master the lesson, which means Bob wasn't able to master the lesson. Now let's take a look to the options. In option A, there's a word matter that sounds similar to master. So now just find the most synonymous with wasn't able to learn. And the most synonymous is option B. He couldn't learn the lesson.
Number 5.
It's so sad what happened to the animals.
Yes, it is. Whenever there's a forest fire, many animals die.
What does the woman mean?
The woman said whenever there is a forest fire, many animals die. If we check the options, option B and C are the most irrelevant answers because they are talking about frost instead of forest fire. Now check the keyword. The keywords are forest fire and animals die. So the most relevant and synonymous answer is B. Animals are killed by forest fire. If we sum this up, in listening part A, the answer is not clearly stated. Instead, you must draw a conclusion based on the clues given in the conversation, and usually based on the second speaker. So we have to focus on the second speaker, find the keyword, find a synonym, and avoid similar sound. So that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoy and like it. I want to say thank you and see you.